Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy. If you're new here, I welcome you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for stopping by once again. Today, I'll be showing you on how I make my scrunchies from the scratch. From buying the materials, cutting, hand sewing, packing, and then ready for the market. I bought 6 different types of satin materials: red, brown, pink, blue-black, also called dark blue, white, and black. I have some leftover scrunchies from my last sales, purple and blue, making it a total of 8 different colors. I'm using the length of 29 inches by 4.5 inches. And it's on fold, meaning that I'll be cutting 2 scrunchies at the same time. And this helps me to save a lot of time. Please subscribe to my channel for more hand sewing tutorials. Let's start sewing. I am using a back stitch, which is one of the strongest stitches you can use in hand sewing. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to sew a back stitch, please check the link in the description box. I've made a detailed video on how you can sew a back stitch. It's super easy and beginner friendly. I hope this video has been helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hand sewing tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.